Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. You know, when you work on lots of projects, you end up with a mess. I've got that mess there. We did some spring cleaning on one of the closets. I've got all the oil that I drained out of the car from the transmission and engine coming out twice. Got a bit of a mess over here in this corner. Yeah, I still got a leak. It wasn't leaking the first time I pulled it out, but it is now. I had to redo that one seal. Yeah, so I've got a few things to take care of. I also have this really big rug that, yeah, it's had a few spills on it, so maybe we'll do a little pressure washing here and see if we can't get that thing a little cleaner. That's all part of getting stuff done around the house, is sometimes you gotta take care of the house too. Garage quite a bit. Got everything cleaned out so I can get the cars in here for the winter. I wanted to say a huge thanks. Those of you that follow me on Facebook already know I posted on there. The channel just got monetized the other night, so I am just super stoked about that. You know, probably $1 a day on monetization. I'm a small channel, but I'm over that hump. Now I'm monetized. As long as I keep making videos, then that stuff will start to add up. And then we'll put that money back into the channel, back into the GTO, back into other projects, stuff that I do around the house. Some of my biggest videos have been working on the pink car for the girls, the play set that I built from Costco, the KidCraft play set. Those have kind of been my bigger videos. So I'll continue to work on those things as well as on car stuff. I'm sure the biggest base for my channel is going to be, you know, working on cars. But there's a lot of stuff around the house that people, yeah, looks a little intimidating. A lot of the stuff you can do yourself. I had an electrical problem today. I went to take care of it, replace the outlet. It's a GFI outlet, and it's still broke. So I'm going to probably have to hire an electrician for that. I mean, there's some things you can do yourself, and other things, nope. Go ahead and hire a professional. That's fine. At any rate, I'm going to show you the garage here real quick. So, got everything cleaned out. This was a mess. 2 years worth of rebuilding a car. I had the car in here sideways for a good part of it, you know, 45-degree angle so I could work on things. And there's my workbench. It is a mess. And honestly, that's in a lot better shape than it's been before. But we'll get there. It just takes time. I'm trying to, you know, I work full time and I'm trying to get stuff done, and also trying to create a channel with some content that some people will enjoy, and it's also helping me document the build on the GTO as well. If I go to any more car shows this year, I'll bring you along. There's a few more coming up here in September, and then we're pretty much done for the year here in October in Minnesota. Drive about halfway through October. And then it's anybody's guess when the first snow is going to hit. And in Minnesota, they throw salt on the roads. You're done. No more driving these old cars unless you want them all to rust out. So we'll be done in October with at least the car content with driving it. I have a bunch of interior stuff I want to do. I want to get a sound system installed and finish the headliner and some lighting on the inside. Maybe put some underglow on here. Who knows? I want to do some things to dress it up, and it'll give me some projects to do over the winter. I upgraded all my lights to LED, so I'll bring you along and show you how I did that wiring. I'm still not sure how I'm going to do it. I have the LEDs, and I'll bring you along for that as well. In the meantime, I'm just going to work on cleaning up the garage here a little bit, and otherwise that'll be pretty much it for the video. Appreciate everybody following along, liking, subscribing, all that great stuff. Really appreciate it. The channel wouldn't be where it's at without you guys watching all those hours. I it took me about 2 years to get monetized. And again, I'm not a big channel. I work full time. My content's about 1 video a week. I tried doing 2 and 3 videos a week for a while. That's just too much. And I don't think the quality of the videos was that great at the time. So I'm going to concentrate on making quality videos. If you don't have a video for 2 weeks, then well, it's because I'm working on something bigger, or I've got family I'm working on. All right. Wanted to show you my final result here. Got everything cleaned up and organized. For the most part, she's good to go. Way better than it was. Got all my tools back where they belong. Took a little bit of a break this weekend from normal work on the car. Still haven't gotten the oil changed. I'll get to that probably this week. I had a car show I wanted to go to yesterday, but I didn't make it. I just kind of took a break this weekend. Some family was gone, and it was just a much needed chance to recharge for myself. So anyway, thanks again for everybody for liking, subscribing, sharing, all that great stuff. The channel is finally monetized. I'm going to concentrate on making good quality videos for everybody to watch. I did want to just put this video out real quick so everybody knows that, yeah, hey, I did get monetized, and that there is more content to come. But, you know, sometimes you got to take a break and clean stuff up, and then take some time for yourself as well. Thanks again, everybody, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.